Hello students, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel Omkar English Classes. This is the third part of the chapter Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Doshi. Students, before going ahead, I request you all to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos on NCERT Literature and Grammar syllabus. So we have started and we have read about the Southern Ocean and about its food chain by phytoplankton grass. These single-celled plants use the sun's energy to assimilate carbon and synthesize organic compounds in that wondrous and most important of processes called photosynthesis. Scientists warn that a further depletion in the ozone layer will affect the activities of phytoplankton, which in turn will affect the lives of all the marine animals and birds of the region and the global carbon cycle. In the parable of the phytoplankton, there is a great metaphor for existence. Take care of the small things and the big things will fall into place. So it is said that it has been recently concluded by scientists that a further depletion in the ozone layer can affect the activities of these single-celled plants and affect the marine life altogether if ozone layer depletes. Thus, in this case, the saying comes true. What is the saying? The saying is that take care of the small things and the big things will fall into place. अगर हम छोटी चीजों का ध्यान नहीं रखते तो बड़ी घटनाएं होंगी. ये कहावत चरितार्थ होती है, इसका हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Now walk on the ocean. My Antarctic experience was full of such epiphanies, but the best occurred just short of the Antarctic Circle at 65.55 degrees south. The Shokalski had managed to wade herself into a thick white stretch of ice between the peninsula and Tadpole Island, which was preventing us from going any further. So, when we talk about it, for all it took for him to travel from Madras to Antarctica, the 9 time zones, checkpoint, and various bodies of water, author pondered upon the capability of nature to maintain its balance. कैसे नेचर अपने आप को बैलेंस करती है ये बता रहा है यहाँ पर. He wondered that it would be like if Antarctica, the place that houses over 90% of the world's ice, becomes warm again. तो क्या होगा उस जगह का जहां 90% दुनिया का 90% वहां पर बर्फ है अंटार्कटिका में, अगर वहां के घर भी गर्म होने लगे तब क्या होगा. आश्चर्य होता है सोच के. He wonders if we will be there to see it, if it ever happens, but who knows. मान भी लें just short of the Antarctic Circle 65.55 डिग्री बोला इन्होंने, कैसे मैनेज कर लिया to age herself, प्रकृति ने कैसे अपने आप को संभाल लिया into a thick white stretch of ice between the peninsula and Tadpole Island, के बीच में कैसे अपने आप को संभाल के रखा हुआ है. ये बड़ी आश्चर्य वाली बात है. प्रकृति अपने आप को हील कर लेती है, संभाल लेती है. The captain decided we were going to turn around and head back north. But before we did, we were all instructed to climb down the gangplank and walk on the ocean. So there we were, all 52 of us, kitted out in Gore-Tex and glares, walking on a stark whiteness that seemed to spread out forever. Underneath our feet was a meter-thick ice pack, and underneath that 180 meters of living, breathing salt water. In the periphery, crab-eater seals were stretching and sunning themselves on ice floors, much like stray dogs will do under the shade of a banyan tree. It was nothing so short of a revelation. Everything does indeed connect. 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and many ecospheres later. I was still wondering about the beauty of balance in play on our planet. How would it be if Antarctica were to become the warm place that it once used to be? Will we be around to see it? Or would we have gone the way of the dinosaurs, mammoths, and woolly rhinoceros? Who is to say? So writer is saying that he is surprised to see how the nature maintains itself. Thus, by seeing the spirit of teenagers who still are left with the courage to save the world, he talks about the uncertainty of events that can happen over a million years ago. Here he talks about it, but for all, they decided that they will go to turn around and head back north. But before they did it, they were all instructed to climb down the gangplank and walk on the ocean. It was the ocean, a vast ocean, and it was frozen. They were walking on the ocean water, and the ice was under their feet. A meter thick ice pack, and underneath that 180 meters of living breathing salt water. उसके इतने नीचे जीता जागता समुद्र का खारा पानी. In the periphery, crab eaters में थे, seals were stretching and sunning themselves on ice floors much like stray dogs. उसके नीचे सब पूरे जीता जागता जीवन, उस बर्फ के नीचे समंदर में सब कुछ, पूरी प्रजातियां ऐसे ही, पूरी स्पेसीज सब दिखाई दे रही है अंडर द शेड ऑफ बनियान ट्री. जैसे कुत्ते एक बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे रहते हैं, घूमते रहते हैं ऐसे. इट वॉज नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिविलेशन. बस यही महसूस होना था, महसूस होने से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. और इतना महसूस हो गया था कि एवरीथिंग डज इंडीड कनेक्ट, हर चीज कनेक्ट हो रही है. 9 टाइम जोन जो हम पार करके आए, 6 चेक पॉइंट्स, 3 बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर एंड मैनी इकोस्फीयर्स, फिर से पार भी करने हैं और पार करके भी आए. आई वॉज स्टिल वंडरिंग अबाउट द ब्यूटी ऑफ बैलेंस. क्या बैलेंस है इन प्ले ऑन आवर प्लेनेट. हमारा ग्रह, हमारी पृथ्वी क्या बैलेंस करती है हर चीज को. हाउ वुड इट बी, क्या होगा अगर अंटार्कटिका, क्या होता अगर अंटार्कटिका भी एक ऐसा वार्म प्लेस होता है अब भी, जैसे ये कभी हुआ करता था, वंस यूज्ड टू बी. क्या हम कभी होंगे ये देखने के लिए जब ये वार्म हो जाएगा, और या फिर हम भी इसी तरह चले जाएंगे जैसे डायनासोर्स वगैरह चले गए थे, मैमोथ्स वगैरह चले गए थे, वोली रिनोस चले गए थे. कौन कह सकता है इस बारे में कि क्या होगा. But after spending 2 weeks with a bunch of teenagers who still have the idealism to save the world, all I can say that is that a lot can happen in a million years. But what a difference a day makes. तो इन सभी टीनेजर्स के साथ में घूमते फिरते, जिनके मन में अभी भी एक आदर्श है, एक जज्बा है इस दुनिया को बचाने का, मैं बस यही कह सकता हूं कि इतने मिलियन ईयर्स में क्या कुछ नहीं हो गया, बहुत कुछ बदल गया. ये एक दिन हमारा यहाँ आने का आखिर क्या बदल सकता है. व्हाट अ डिफरेंस अ डे मेक्स. एक दिन में क्या होता है, एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता, लाखों साल लग गए इसको चेंज होने में. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Question number 1. Why is a visit to Antarctica is important to realize the effect of global warming? Question number 2. How can we learn climate change to see Antarctica? Question number 3. The world's geological history is trapped in Antarctica. How is the study of this region important for us? So students, write your answers as soon as possible and send it to me. Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.